Which synonym belongs to erroneous? The correct answer is faulty. Which synonym belongs to boon? The correct answer is benefit. Which synonym belongs to crux? The correct answer is core. Which synonym belongs to avuncular? The correct answer is benevolent. Which synonym belongs to exhilarating? The correct answer is cheering. Which synonym belongs to relic? The correct answer is remnant. Which synonym belongs to usufruct? The correct answer is liferent. Which synonym belongs to lol? The correct answer is slacken. Which synonym belongs to reckon? The correct answer is account. Which synonym belongs to equivocal? The correct answer is incongruous. Which synonym belongs to perimeter? The correct answer is circumference. Which synonym belongs to imbroglio? The correct answer is snarl. Which synonym belongs to inebriated? The correct answer is drunk. Which synonym belongs to scruple? The correct answer is sap. Which synonym belongs to asunder? The correct answer is apart. Which synonym belongs to evasive? The correct answer is noncommittal. Which synonym belongs to decimate? The correct answer is devastate. Which synonym belongs to shackle? The correct answer is hobble. Which synonym belongs to appreciate? The correct answer is esteem. Which synonym belongs to pulchritude? The correct answer is comeliness.